All right, the table shows the weight of specific vehicles that are in Beechwood Mall parking lot. So you have a semi-truck, a Ferrari, and a school bus. I want to know how many pounds does a semi-truck and a Ferrari all together weigh? So right now, we're looking at a Ferrari and we're looking at a semi-truck, all right? So we need to figure out how many pounds, okay? That's what we're looking for is pounds. Right now, we're in tons, okay? So we have to convert tons to pounds. So how many tons do we have for both a semi-truck and a Ferrari? So 40 plus 2 is 42. So we have 42 tons over 1. And we want to convert to pounds. So we're going to put pounds on top. And we're going to put tons on the bottom. And going to our conversion chart that we have, there is 2,000 pounds and 1 ton. So 2,000 pounds and 1 ton. All right, so this ton cancels, this ton cancels. So now we have 42 times 2,000. So we have to multiply that out. So we're multiplying 42 times 2,000. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 2, 4. Okay. Again, you'll get your zeros. So your 2 is gone. So you have to put a 0 below. Oops. 0 below before you start to multiply. And you're going to do 4 times 0 is 4. 4 times 0 is 4. I'm sorry, is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. And then 4 times 2 is 8. We're going to do that. So you're going to add those up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. And then 8 comes down. So it's 84,000. So 84,000. 84,000 over 1 times 1 is 1. So our answer is 84,000 pounds. And that's how many pounds are in that parking lot.